yeah.
God damn.
That's high as shit, boy. Boy, look at the chrome. Ooh, before you start putting some chrome Cadillac upper control arms on your Lincoln Town Car, there's some things you need to know. Alright, about to put some jewelry on this Lincoln Town Car. Some chrome upper control arms this time. And then these control arms, yes, they're still Cadillac arms, but look how thick those things are. Look at all those wheels, man. Appreciate the man over there in California for hooking this up, but since they extended, I'm sorry, not reinforced with some more metal, see how thick that is? Well, to be able to put the Cadillac ball joints in this, we're gonna have to extend the bolts, because those small bolts, they're not gonna work. Now that was problem number one with putting the Cadillac ball joints in Cadillac A-arms, reinforced A-arms. But the other problem is, now because this Cadillac ball joint is completely, the shaft itself is completely different than a stock Lincoln Town Car ball joint, you're going to need to fill that gap or that void, and that's what these little inserts do. See, that's the Cadillac ball joint with Cadillac A-arms, because you know they're bolting in. Well, when we get extended bolts, we can bolt them in. But what it does is, there's the shaft. This is going to compensate for the original shaft on the Lincoln Town Car on the spindle side. So it's going to go in there like that, and that's going to be enough gap to where we can tighten up the pinch weld, or sorry, the pinch bolt on it, and we won't have no problems. Let me show you. These will not fit unless you put inserts in them. Check this out. Okay, see that? See that space? We need to put inserts in, and thank God we have some, because we take this little insert. All right, here's your original Lincoln Town Car. You see that little hole right there? That's going to be where the bolt, this bolt, is going to sit. So we're going to slide that in there just like this. Probably going to end up having to tap that in just a little bit. Now you see the hole. It's matched up with this little gap here. So we're just going to do tap it in. There we go. Because when we put the ball joint shaft inside of it, it's going to tighten up, and it's going to sink this thing down a little bit more. Much easier to test fit something when you have just the ball joint in your hand. That should sit a lot more snug. Perfect. Yeah, go ahead and put this insert in. This is the kind of shit that you're going to be doing. See how much movement that does? But you put these inserts in, it ain't going to do that. Surprised we didn't snap the ball joints. Right, insert goes in. And it's got a collar on it right there, so it goes down. Doesn't go down that far. Just tap it, don't mangle it. There we go. All right.
He's the three-wheel. He can. I've seen mad videos that car three-wheel. But he's made the Cadillac. He's three-wheel and off-ramp like swinging.
Ready to put that chrome on the town car. But we got to extend the bolts because this is thick. It's thick as shit. Because I definitely would have freaking accidentally put that shit on. All right, there we go. All right, we good. Oh, son of a bitch. Alright, I lost this thing a little better. Whoa, check that. That goes in a lot better. Pump it just a little bit.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack.
Check air suspension. My toe is out really bad. I wonder why. Cause we got a lowrider. Now, if you guys are wondering why I'm aligning a lowrider, it's to get the steering wheel straight. It's not for camber, obviously. It's not for caster. It's just to get the steering wheel straight. And that's close enough.
I don't want to go too high yet.
Right.
See how that. Well, what side was it? This side. Oh shit.
Well, they talking so much, man. You almost tucking rim, basically. Another lowrider job, well done. I'm glad we caught that. That's not good. Yeah. All right. Yep. Think that's good? Or?
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with a